To start the transformation of your dingy garage into a room you can be proud of, sweep up any dust and debris so you have a clean, flat surface to work on. It's important to allow the tiles to acclimatize to the ambient temperature of the room, which should be at least 15 degrees C. We recommend taking them off the pallet and leaving them to acclimatize for 24 hours. You will need a non-marking rubber mallet, a chalk line, a Stanley knife with a concave blade, a tape measure and a straight edge. Use the tape measure to take accurate dimensions from side to side and from front to back of the garage. Measure one tile's width from the front of the garage at each side of the entrance and make a mark. Run the chalk line between the two marks you made so you have a straight line to start from. Connect the first 3 rows of tiles, working in both directions simultaneously, making sure you stay true to the chalk line. Continue connecting the tiles from the first 3 rows in a pyramid formation, leaving space around any fixed points. When all the tiles that don't need cutting have been laid, start to fit the tiles that need cutting around fixed points. For pillars and supports, etc. in the middle of the room, carefully take the measurements on all sides from the support to the nearest tile. Use these measurements to draw a square on the tile and cut it out, including a cut from the edge of the tile to the cutout square. You will then be able to wrap the tile around the support and connect it to the surrounding tiles. To cut tiles to fit up against walls, start by laying the tile face upwards against the wall, marking it where it overlaps with the laid tiles. Cut along the line between the marks you've made. Then turn over the remaining piece of the tile and connect it to the floor. Our tiles can be cut with a jigsaw if you don't want to use a Stanley knife. We recommend using a timber blade. Congratulations! You've transformed your garage into a smart, warm space you'll be happy to spend time in.